In this video, we are going to see about Laplace transform of periodic function. We must know what is meant by periodic function. Periodic function. A function f of t is said to be periodic if and only if f of t plus t equal to f of t for some value of t and for every value of t. The smallest positive value of t for which this equation is true for every value of t is called the period of the function, or a function f of t is said to be periodic function of period capital T is greater than 0 if f of t equal to f of t plus t equal to f of t plus 2t equal to etc equal to f of t plus nt. If you consider a function f of t, if you change the t by t plus capital T, the value will not change for the function, it remains same. That is f of t plus t equal to same f of t. So then we call this function as periodic function with this period t. Example, sin t is a periodic function with period 2 pi. Cos t is a periodic function with period 2 pi. Tan t is a periodic function with period pi. Cot t is a periodic function with period pi. You will see how it is a periodic function. So first you take your f of t equal to sin t. If you change this t by t plus 2 pi, so then we can write this function as sine of t plus 2 pi. So 2 pi is nothing but 360. So we can write this as sine of 360 plus t. 360 can be written as sine of 4 into 90 plus t. So here 4 is a even number, so you should not change the trigonometric. So therefore we will get sine t, and it lies in the first quadrant. Here all silver tea cups. Here 360 plus means it lies in this quadrant. Here all are positive. So therefore your f of t plus 2 pi equal to sine t. Similarly, if you put f of t plus 4 pi, here you will get sine of t plus 4 pi. You will get 720 plus t. 720 can be written as sine of 8 into 90 plus t. So 8 is an even number. We should not change the trigonometric. So we will get same sine t. 720 plus t is again lies in the first quadrant. Here all are positive. So if you put f of t plus 4 pi is also equal to sine t. So compared to your given definition, your f of t is sine t. It remains same when you replace that by sine of t plus 2 pi and t plus 4 pi, and if you replace t by t plus 6 pi, etc. So you'll get the same value sine t. So this is your f of t, this is your t plus t, and this is your t plus 2t, this is your t plus 3t, etc. So among this t, which one is smallest value, that is called our period. So here 2 pi is the smallest value among this. So therefore your period is 2 pi for this sine t. Same way we can take cos t. If you apply the same thing here, cos t is also a periodic function with period 2 pi. If you take f of t equal to tan t, if you replace this t by t plus pi, you are getting tan of t plus pi. Pi is nothing but 180, that can be written as 2 into 90 plus t. Here it is even number, so you should not change the trigonometric, so we will get tan t of t plus pi equal to tan t. 180 plus, now it lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan is positive, so you are getting here positive tan t. Similarly, if you replace t by t plus 2 pi, so you will get tan of t plus 2 pi. 2 pi is nothing but 360, and 360 can be written as 4 into 90 plus t. 4 is an even number, you should not change the trigonometric, so you will get tan t. So if you change the t by 2 pi also, you are getting the same value. Based on our definition, f of t equal to tan t, that is equal to tan of t plus pi equal to tan of t plus 2 pi equal to tan of t plus 3 pi equal to etc. You are getting the same value tan t. So these are all your t values, t, 2t, 3t. So among this pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, which one is smallest one? This pi is the smallest one. So therefore tan t is a periodic function with period pi. The same way cot t is a periodic function with period pi. Now we are going to see the Laplace transform of periodic function. If f of t is a periodic function with period t, then L of f of t equal to integral 0 to t e power minus st into f of t dt whole thing divided by 1 minus e power minus st. Here the capital T denotes the period of the given periodic function. Whenever the periodic function is given in our problem, we have to apply this formula to find the Laplace transformation. Find L of f of t, where f of t is a periodic function of period 2 pi, and it is given by f of t equal to sin t, where t lies between 0 to pi, 0 where t lies between pi to 2 pi. Now they are clearly mentioned that it is a periodic function of period 2 pi. So therefore our t value is 2 pi. To find the Laplace transform of the periodic function, we know the formula integral 0 to t e power minus st f of t to dt whole thing divided by 1 minus e power minus st. Here our capital T value was 2 pi. We'll substitute here integral 0 to 2 pi e power minus st f of t into dt divided by 1 minus e power minus s into 2 pi is the t value. If you observe this f of t, it is defined in two intervals. We will divide this into two intervals, 0 to pi e power minus st. In this interval, your f of t value is sin t into dt plus integral pi to 2 pi is the another interval. Here our f of t value is 0 into dt whole thing divided by 1 minus e power minus, I can write this as 2 pi s. So this is equal to 1 minus e power minus 2 pi s. Here integral 0 to pi e power minus st sin t into dt. So we know that integral e power ax into sin bx dx equal to e power ax divided by a square plus b square into a into sin bx minus b into cos bx. Applying this formula here, we will get 1 by 1 minus e power minus 2 pi s into e power minus st divided by, here the a value is minus s, b value is 1. So we will get minus s the whole square is s square plus 1 into minus s into sin t minus b value is 1 cos b value is 1 into t. Now the limit is 0 to pi. Now applying the limit, 1 divided by 1 minus e power minus pi s the whole square I can write into 1 by s square. I will take it out and I am going to substitute the upper limit e power minus s pi into minus s into sine pi minus cos pi minus lower limit e power 0 into minus s into sine 0 minus cos 0. If you simplify this, you will get 1 divided by s square plus 1 into, so I can write this term as 1 plus e power minus pi s into 1 minus e power minus pi s. E power minus pi s into sine pi is 0, cos pi is minus 1, so minus of minus 1 minus sine 0 is 0, cos 0 value is 1. So if you simplify this, we will get the numerator as here minus of minus plus e power minus pi s plus 1 is our numerator. Denominator we will get s square plus 1 into 1 plus e power minus pi s into 1 minus e power minus pi s. This 1 plus e power minus pi s and this 1 plus e power minus pi s will get cancelled. The remaining term is our required answer, that is s square plus 1 into 1 minus e power minus pi s is the required answer.